I'll show you how you can get the Tabby card. If you want to get the Tabby card, first off, you will need to download the Tabby app. So from any of your Google Play Store or from your App Store, you want to go ahead and search up Tabby like this. And then you want to search up this Tabby Shop Now, Pay Later, tap on Install Now. To note that the Tabby card is exclusively available to customers based on their current account staffing and Tabby payment history. So you need to have a good standing with Tabby first. You might need to use the app for a little while first, make some transaction, pay your bills on time. And after all of that is okay, after all of that is good, then you can get a Tabby card. But if you don't, then you will need to do probably some spending first. Again, pay your bills on time since this is kind of like a credit card, or pay later if you want to call it that. Now, if that's that, then of course, just do that. After that, you can apply for a credit card or a card, whatever you want to call it. Now, once it is installed, you want to tap on open. Once you tap on open, you might need to go ahead and sign into an account. Now, once you have signed into an account, let's just go into our Tabby app here. Let's just wait for this to load for a second. It might take a little bit. You can see now we have loaded into our app. On here, you want to pick on your country. I'm just going to say the United Arab Emirates. You can skip to stores if you'd like. Now on here, if you want to get your Tabby card, you want to go to money here. And then on money, you can see this is where you get the Tabby card.